In this lesson, we're going to be drawing a path. So before we do that, what I want to do is I want to clean up this code. So I'm going to put all of this thing that we've done so far. I'm going to put everything in a function. So let's create a function called add line. So this will allow us to so the next, I'm going to create another function called add paths, or draw. Actually, it's supposed to be draw paths. Draw paths, and let me make sure that I call it here draw paths, so that it can be easy for me to manage all this code without having to have everything dump into the draw function. Okay, so now the first thing, just like we did previously, we have to get a context. So let context equals to UI graphics get current context, and then context dot set line width will be let's set it to 3, and context dot set stroke color UI color dot purple dot CG color. So we need to get the CG color. See how easy it is to do that now. So now let's move to the context dot move to point. So this is going to be the beginning point, and let's start at CG point. Let's put a value. Let's start from 50 and 50. The next thing is to say context dot add line. So now we need to add a line to another point, CG point. So here I'm going to be drawing a path that looks like a triangle. So okay, so we're going to move to point 150 and 50. So 150 and 50. So this is what we want to do. We're going to start from this point. Imagine this point is, just watch my cursor on the screen. So imagine this point is 50 and 50. We're going to draw a line to 150 and 50. Then we're going to draw another line that comes down a bit, and then we're going to join it to the previous one. So it's going to be like an inverted triangle. So let's give that a go. So context dot add another line. So we're going to add a line again. This time we're going to move it to CG point. Let's look for a place where X is less than original and Y also grows. So let's say 100, and Y is going to be 100 as well. And then context, you can just put this on paper to kind of figure out what you're trying to do. Add another line, and then we're going to go back to, let's see, we have to go back to the original point. Okay, CG point. So we have to draw a line back to the original point. So the final thing we have to do, you have to stroke the path. So context dot stroke path. So have I called it in the draw function? Yes, I did. So we need to now build and see what we've done so far. So this is what we did. Starting on line 50, 50, draw a line to 150, 50, draw another line to 100, 100, and then go back to, you need to understand the coordinate system to be able to do this. Okay, right, let's stop here, and then the next one we're going to give it one more go and draw another path, and then maybe that will solidify the knowledge. Thank you.